Hello everybody, so today I am going to make quick and easy French toast. Okay, so we need 3 eggs. Let me crack that into the bowl. And then whisk it until well blended. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Okay, for this one I am pouring 3/4 cups of half and half, but you can also use whole milk or heavy cream, depends on your preference, whichever is available. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon. Add half cup of granulated sugar. A pinch of salt to balance out the flavor, then whisk it well. Okay, so for the bread, I am using artisanal golden wheat bread since this is what I have. I think it's thick enough to soak in batter, but whatever bread you have available, you can use that as well, whatever is your preference. Pan over medium heat, and then adding about a teaspoon or 2 of vegetable oil, a little bit of butter, and then spread the butter as it melts. Wait until it's golden brown and the bread is ready to put in. Whisk it once again before dipping the bread into the batter, just to make sure that the cinnamon is not settling onto the bottom of the bowl. Then dip the bread maybe 3 to 5 seconds on each side. Put it to your pan, let it go for a couple of minutes until it's golden brown. Or you can take a pic to make sure it's really golden brown. Then go ahead and flip it and let it stay for another minute or 2 for this side as well. And then when it's ready, transfer it to the plate. Then transfer to the plate, drizzled with some maple syrup. And maybe if you want a little bit sweeter, you can add some powdered sugar to it. And top it with whatever available fresh fruits you have for extra fresh taste. And voila! It's French toast. It sounds fancy or maybe social, but it's actually really easy to make with these basic ingredients. I hope you enjoy watching this video on how to make quick and easy French toast. Till next time!